This is Unit 8, Targets 3 and 4 homework. Number 17, find the coordinates of the centroid. So I started by drawing the 3 points on a graph and plotting them. To find the centroid, I need to find the medians. The medians are drawn from a vertex to a midpoint. So I'm going to start by finding midpoints. So the midpoint of ST is going to be 5 plus 11 divided by 2 for the x, and 5 plus negative 3 divided by 2 for the y, which gives 8, 1. Then I'll do S and U. So 5 plus negative 1 divided by 2, and 5 plus 1 divided by 2 gives you 2, 3. And then for the last one, UT, I have 11 plus negative 1 divided by 2, and negative 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So 5, negative 1. Okay, so it looks like the intersection is at about 5, 1. My graph's a little bit off in some spots, but it looks like I think the centroid is at 5, 1. And then we will check that using another strategy. So the other strategy that we can use is that the centroid acts as a midpoint, per se, of the triangle. It's definitely one of 4 different centers in a triangle, but it's the only one that can be found using the average of all the values. So if I take the x value from the S, plus the x value from the T, plus the x value from the U, and divide by 3, I'll get the x coordinate of the centroid. Then I can take the y value from the S, plus the y value from the T, plus the y value from the U, and divide by 3, and I'll get the y coordinate of the centroid. So for this problem, that's going to look like 5 plus 11 plus negative 1 divided by 3, and 5 plus negative 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So for the x, I'll get 16 minus 1 is 15 divided by 3 is 5. And for the y values, I'll get 5 minus 3 is 2, plus 1 is 3, divided by 3 is 1. So I can check that it is at 5, 1.